This is my handwritten version of C3 cardinal continuum hypothesis. It's not perfect. An infinite series with an infinitesimal term, final term. Got the full document on the computer. But to help understand it, I write it out. There's this page. Some other graphs found in Gavin Wince's slides in his videos. I'm holding this the wrong way. I've started to sort most of these out. They came from my mum's house just recently. I've also got diagrams of Eric Weinstein's. Quite simple. Here's his tube. This is using perambulation like in Gavin's paper. Yeah, I just thought I'd show some receipts, I guess, on the science stuff. Oh yeah, that was the one that was related to that key earlier. I showed this in another video. That says, as P dot E dot P differential increases, so does D. I'm not entirely sure what my own notes are meaning here. I think that symbol I've used means differential. Sometimes I make up placeholder symbols and I know what they mean in my own mind, because I'm not actually I guess like normally taught in this stuff. I'll use the normal symbols for their functions, but there's a function I'm sort of doing that I don't really know what its normal name is. I'll just put anything there. I'll probably just call it X or Y or A or B. Being shouted.